how to create a Weverse account in the Weverse app. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and as well as liking or tapping on that bell icon so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and open our Weverse app. Once we are able to open it, we will be greeted with a message just like this one to create a account. So what you need to do is start the Weverse app and choose your language. So I'm choosing English because I know English only. After that, you can just join/log in. So you can log in your account there if you have an account. But I am going to choose the Google option so it will be fast. You can also do it with Twitter and TikTok or Apple. Go and select your account. After that, just tap on the I agree to the terms of use and click on next. And after that, you are now in the Weverse app. So you can now follow your favorite artists on Weverse. So I hope this tutorial helps and enjoy exploring the Weverse. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.